Among Us. I've been there so many times, teleporting, hurting so much. Through portals, sometimes as an imposter, sometimes as a crewmate. And after all this, I'm a pro now. Crewmate and also as an imposter. And today guys, I'm going to show you how to make Among Us characters along with the bodies out of paper. So let's get started. So today we are making this origami Among Us crewmate along with dead bodies. And so first of all, you need square shape paper. And if you don't have any square shape paper and have rectangular shape paper, then you can make a square shape paper from that rectangular paper in this way. Okay, now follow the steps. Make a crease here. And also here. And now we have to tear or cut this part of the paper with scissors, or you can also tear this part with your hands. Okay, now we have the perfect square shape paper. And now fold it in half sideways like this. Make the crease. Unfold and fold it in half again downwards. Make the crease and unfold. Now fold this bottom part to the center line and fold the upper part to the crease that we made just now. Okay, now fold the right side of the paper and left side of the paper to meet the center line like this. Okay, now make the creases. And now with this paper, fold it the bottom part upwards. Fold the corners downwards like this. And now pull this part of the paper like this. And also this part of the paper like this. And now with this, fold this downwards and fold the bottom part upward to this crease and fold this part all the way here. Okay, maybe a little bit shorter. Okay, better, looks better. Okay, now we have the body, leg, and now we need the head, right? Yeah, let's do the head with another square shape paper. Fold it like this. Fold it in half and take the body. Make sure the body's center line meets with this center line. Fold the sides, two sides like this. Okay. And now remove the body. Unfold and fold this part and this part. And fold it in half downwards. Fold the corners this much. There's no reference point. Okay, now unfold this and fold this inside like this, and also this inside. Okay. Now we have the head. Okay, now we can put the body inside the head like this, but we still need something, right? A bone here. And take rectangle shaped small paper, white colored, and fold this like this. Fold it in half sideways, unfold, fold this like this, and then fold this two parts like this, so we can make a triangle on two sides, and fold these triangles corners like this, and press this part here to make it a bone shaped paper. Okay, now we have the bone shaped paper, and we can attach this with the glue here, right here. Okay, we got it. Shave it a little bit. And there we go. We have the animal's character, but still, something still missing. Yeah, what's that? Can you tell that? Yeah, the face, the head thing. Yeah, attach it with glue right here. And also we need the backpack. So take another sheet of paper that's smaller than the normal ones and do the steps that we did for making the head of the Amala's characters. Make the head with this paper like this. It's pretty simple. There we go. We need to attach it with glue. Boom. Here you go. Your Amala's character, along with dead bodies, is done. And if you guys enjoyed the video, smash the like button. Don't forget to subscribe. Guys, I'm serious. Don't forget, it's very easy. And press the bell icon. Bye. Bye.